Bonjour! Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. Non, 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 on va pas le faire comme ça. On va faire Bonjour everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie. And for today's video, I am going to do a day 2 hairstyling, curl refreshing style thingy video. Sorry, it's my first video in 3 weeks. I have not been filming because my dad was here for the holidays and I just wanted to enjoy him while I had him. He left a couple days ago, so this is my first time filming since he got here, and I'm you know, I'm gonna have to get back into the groove of things. And so anyways, this first video is going to be about restyling my hair. I washed my hair yesterday, so my hair is nice and clean. I did not overload my hair with products, so I kind of like the feeling of my hair today. But you know, my curls did not really make it through the night. I want to say I did sleep with a pineapple, and this is what I'm dealing with. So we're gonna reshape. First I am going to humidify my hair with some water and conditioner. This is homemade. I used, I think, Ella's conditioner in there because I mostly use this spray bottle for Ella, but I also use it for myself once in a while. And her conditioner is the Maui, the green one. I can't remember, restore and repair. I don't remember, but it's the green Maui conditioner that I mixed with this water. Once my hair is going to be damp, I am going to use a little bit of Lush Love Your Curl on the length of my hair. This is their all-in-one for curly hair, so it's a leave-in conditioner. It's the step 3 to their 3-step program, I guess. And then I'm gonna lock everything in with my Ouidad Advanced Control Climate Control Gel. I still have a little bit left on this bottle. While I do all that, we're gonna chit chat a little bit about, you know, the channel, what I'm expecting for 2020, and I'm also gonna fast forward through a lot of it because I don't want the video to last like 20 minutes, so although it could. Anyhow, let's get this party started. So now's the part where I detangle. Just make sure that you are gentle with your hair, especially when you detangle on day 2. When you detangle your hair like this, which is spraying it with water and then detangling it, you want to be super gentle on your hair because it's different than being under the shower for 5 minutes and having hot water going down your hair and then detangling it with some conditioner. You know, it's a little bit more brutal on your hair to detangle it like this. So make sure, especially if you have fine wavy to curly hair, make sure you're super gentle with your hair at this point because that's where you can get a lot of damage. You can start from the top, bringing it to the bottom. Don't force it. If it stops here, you stop here, and then you go on the bottom here, and then it goes all the way through. Okay? So if you want to stop from the top, go from the top, but once you feel resistance from your brush, don't try to go too hard. Stop it. See here, I feel resistance. I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to go at the end and gently detangle the end. And once I go back to the top again, it usually goes through. Okay, so try to be as gentle as possible. All right, so I'm going to start by talking about what my plans are for my YouTube channel in 2020. So end of last year, I reached 10,000 subscribers, which was a big milestone apparently in the YouTube world, because I noticed once I reached 10K, to which I want to thank you again so much, because without you this wouldn't be possible. So thank you for your support. And so what I noticed after reaching 10K is that I get a lot more emails about sponsorship and collabs and all that. So far I pretty much refused most of them. because it's not products that I particularly want to use, want to try. Right now I am applying the leave-in conditioner from Love Your Curls from Lush, and I am putting it mostly on the length of my hair. I am staying away from the roots. And then the little bit that I have left on my hand, I'm putting it on top for the freeze. So I pretty much say no to a majority of them. And then I am going to be super picky. And so I'm being super picky about who I want to do collabs with. And I want to kind of be as transparent as possible with you guys, because the cool thing about having all these people, these brands reaching out for collab, sponsorship, and things like that is that I finally get to have products for free. I don't have to spend too much money when I want to make a video. So for example, a brand contacted me about using their castor oil in one of my videos. So that would be great, because I'm planning on doing a video using oils to do my DIY beauty products. And if I don't have to buy castor oil, I'm even more happy. I'm saving money. So, you know, it's a win-win situation, and I get you guys to discover a new brand. Right now, I'm going to apply the Ouidad gel. Just putting a little bit. Another company contacted me about underwear for your period, which is super interesting. I always wanted to try some of those to see if it really works. And so I think that's going to be a video I'm going to be doing soon, because I actually did receive their products. So yeah, that's an exciting part of it. All right, so why am I telling you guys all of that? I'm telling you that because I don't want you guys to think that 2020 is the year where my channel is gonna be commercial and all that. I'm finally at a point where I can start making a little bit of money, or saving a little bit of money, because of my videos, and I'm gonna do that. But I also value and cherish your trust, and I don't want you guys to think that I am just gonna do paid sponsored videos or stuff to get free products. I am going towards the brands that align with what I do in my channel, what I talk about, and if it doesn't, I'm not gonna go for it. I don't, you know, it's just I'm a YouTuber, but I also watch YouTube, and there's nothing more annoying than watching a video only to find out that somebody is just trying to sell you a product. That's annoying. So it's a fine line between trying to sell a product, make money, and stay honest with who you are and what message you're trying to put out there. But I'm trying to be as honest as I can. I don't know if that makes sense. You know, I'm just gonna follow my guts, I guess, with this. Anyhow, does that make sense? I don't know. Oh, I look so cute right now. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm editing the video right now, and I just want to clarify a few things. It's not about the honesty, because I believe I'm pretty honest. It's more about the authenticity. I just want to make sure that I'm using products that I would use anyway, or products that I have a legit interest in, or brands that I am actually curious about and that I want to share with you. I want you guys to discover it too. And if in the process I can get free product or a little bit of money, then it's a win-win situation. But what I don't want to do is go for products or brands that I would have never used if it wasn't for a paycheck or whatever. Okay, so I just wanted to clarify that it's not about honesty, but more about authenticity. I'm going to use brands and products that I would have used whether I was going to get paid or not. Okay, back to the video. So I'm going to re-wet my hair because I'm talking too much and my hair's getting dry, and I need my hair to get wet so it can curl. Thank you very much. I am ready to style my hair and get that curl formation. In order to do that, I am going to divide and conquer as usual. So right here, I divide my hair in two, the top and the bottom. The bottom usually curls nicely. I'm just gonna rake and shake a little bit, give it a little bit of formation on one side, do the same thing on the other side. All right, now let's do the top part. So now the top part is the part that I like to spend a little bit more time. Just so you know, I spent the past 3 weeks shaking and drying my hair. I did not do any rake and shake, any hand curling, nothing. And once my dad was gone, not even before that, I started to, like maybe last week, I started to do the rake and shake and hand curling a little bit more. I just, missed the curl formation. It just, I feel like it lasts a little bit longer when I do rake and shake or hand curl. But I'm losing a lot of volume. Okay, next side. Alright, my loves, I am done with styling my hair. I am gonna diffuse right now. I'll be back in a second. Okay, well, this is it, my loves. This is the end result. Nothing much to say. I pretty much used these two products, the Without Advanced Control and the Lush Love Your Curls. Sometimes, especially when it's raining outside, I like to use the Without Finishing Mist Spray. It's probably not curly girl approved. It smells like glue. It smells like glue. Put it in your hair. So it's not for everybody. I don't mind using it because I put it on the length, on the top here, to keep the frizz at bay. I just wanted to show it to you so you guys know what I do sometimes. Also, on a busy morning, this routine takes me about 15 minutes. It's probably gonna be a longer video because I'm chatting throughout the video, but when I'm in a rush, it takes me 15 minutes from start to finish. The drying process was about 6 minutes. So yeah. Alright, you guys, I'm all set with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the hairstyle, but also about what I said about the YouTube channel for 2020. I'm curious to have your feedbacks. And then, voila, that's that. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.